In this video, I'll go through some tips and tricks of how you can increase the printing speed and reduce the wear and tear of your printers. This label shows the incorrect rotation of your barcodes, and this label shows the correct rotation. A tip about the fonts. Using multiple fonts can be a performance killer. Whether you include fonts in the data stream as Interform or use resident fonts, it may have an impact on your printing performance. The more data that should be processed, the slower the print process will be. So a good tip is to reduce the number of fonts. With our product Interform, we include the font as a part of the data stream. In fact, we are optimizing the process by sending a subset of the font to the printer. If we, for instance, use 10 characters of a font, we only include those 10 characters in the data stream. This gives you intelligent optimization when working with Unicode fonts. An often forgotten element of the printing process is cleaning of the printer. Zebra recommends that you clean the printer head and the platen roller after printing each roll. Cleaning your printer head and the platen roller regularly reduces the printer head wear and tear. Printing identical labels is something a lot of our customers are doing. A quick trick is to generate the label once and to define on the printer how many copies you want to print. It might sound obvious, but nevertheless we see a lot of customers sending each label to the printer, creating an unnecessary overhead. Please remember to register all settings you have applied to the printer before you disconnect or replace it. Typical settings like margin, temperature, print speed, and even the added fonts would be important to replicate on the new printer. It's possible that not all settings will be required on the new printer, but doing this will save you time on those that are required. Settings like margin and fonts might be the same, but temperature and print speed are yet again to be tested for the individual device. Good luck replacing your printers.